Gold against US dollar yesterday has created a strong bearish candle. We can see that the price movement, this bearish candle at the resistance to 736.97. The day before, the price movement a bullish breakout, which yesterday I have mentioned that it needs to be verified, especially at this first resistance, first time reached with these candles. And this bullish breakout yesterday has been invalidated with this strong bearish engulfing candle. This candle formation is usually a trigger for the sell-off, which means I'm expecting that the price will continue to fall down even more, especially when the price goes on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame below this price level 2714.51, where the next target will be around this one 2692.18, and below that is around here, which will be very close to this one support level, which will be a trend line after several candles, and also here where this confluence of support is. Now, have in mind that this resistance at this supply zone where the price has formed this bearish engulfing candle is reached for the first time, so I cannot make any conclusions that this is verified like in the past when we have several attempts how the price behaves around certain supply zone, like in this example. But anyway, this strong bearish engulfing candle, which has encompassed two days before, it shows me a pretty strong resistance here, a supply zone, which is pointing me that the price will continue to fall down even more. For this time, this is a bearish breakout. This needs to be verified, and this means that this candle today should not return above 2736.97. It needs to just confirm the previous support. Now it will act as a resistance where the price will go down. So for now, I'm expecting that the price will reach an area here around this area, which is very close to the supply zone around this resistance level to 736.97, and then retrace back down to continue to move even further down as a bearish momentum. So this is all for today. This is what I'm expecting. Feel free to leave a comment below. Let's discuss about this candle formation. Do you think that this bearish engulfing candle is the trigger for the sell-off where the price will continue to fall down, returning back very close to here to 653.45, or do you expect this bearish breakout, which is a bearish engulfing candle, will be invalidated with this candle today, where the price will continue to rise and go above this area, this supply zone, which will be another bullish candle, bullish breakout, which will invalidate this bearish engulfing candle? Let me see, what do you think, and let's discuss. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.